Welcome back to another deal video here at Harbor Freight. I'm going to go over the ITC deals they just released today, and it's going to be running until January 29th. So I'm going to show you the top deals you should consider for ITC members. I'm going to start off here with the end cap they have set up for the different sales. So they do have an awesome deal on the Bauer 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbit palm sander. It's only 20 bucks. That's saving 20, normally 40 bucks there. That's an awesome deal on that, half off. Then they have the Warrior Palm Detail Sander, priced at 10 bucks. It was 20, so that's also 50% off. And then the Bauer All Metal Gear Construction 4.5-inch angle grinder with a trigger switch. That's priced at 25 bucks. That's saving $10. And they're running a deal on the Grant's handheld steam cleaner. It's a 1200 watt little steam cleaner with an 11.5 ounce container to hold the water. It does come with different cleaning attachments there with it. That's saving $10 on that, so it's only 30 bucks. It's a good deal, but it's not as good a deal what they had during the 12 days of sales where you're able to get 50% on it. All right, next up is the Icon Precision Snap Ring Pliers 8-piece set. So you can remove and replace most types of snap rings. It does come in a nice hard plastic case. And that's priced at only 50 bucks. That is saving $23. They have a 3/4 horsepower submersible utility pump by Drummond. You can do 4,400 gallons per hour max flow at 0 feet. And it has an 1.25 garden hose thread discharge port. So that's priced at 150 bucks. That is saving 40. Next up is the Badland ZXR 2500 utility winch. So it'll be good for ATVs or like golf carts or little off-road vehicles. 2,500 pound rated with the steel rope, and it has a wired remote and a wireless remote as well. So that'd be convenient to use. That's priced at 70 bucks. That's saving $20 for that. And they have a deal on the Daytona 2-ton lift capacity aluminum jack. It does have one single roller there on the front. So you're able to save 30 bucks on this, so it's only $200. And they have a deal on the Banks 2-in-1 flooring nailer stapler. That's saving 30 bucks there, so it's only $130. It was 160. And they're having a great deal on the Pittsburgh 12-ton low profile heavy duty bottle jack. And so it's 24,000 pound maximum capacity, minimum height capacity of 7 5/8, and a maximum height of 15 inches. And that's priced only 25 bucks. That's saving 15. And they do have another Banks nailer option. It's on the framing nailer. That's a 30 to 34 degree full or clipped head. It has 70 piece load capacity, and it ranges from 70 to 120 psi that you can operate it in. And it weighs just 8.4 pounds. This is priced at only 80 bucks. That's saving 20%. And they have a deal on the Pittsburgh radiator pressure test kit. This is everything that it includes, and also a hard plastic case to store everything in. That's priced at only 60 bucks. That's saving 40% on that. Awesome deal. And also a deal on the Hallmaster grade 70 heavy duty transport chain. It's a 1/2 inch by 20 foot with a 11,300 pound working load. That's priced at only 85 bucks. That's saving $35 off of the 120 price it normally has. Good deal. And in case you missed out on the U.S. General accessory deal they were running last month, you can still have an opportunity to save a good amount on this U.S. General 5-outlet heavy-duty power strip. It is magnetic, so you can stick it anywhere on your toolbox. And it does have 5 outlets with 2 USB ports. And it says the USB is rapid charging. It does come available in the different colors, with the exception of purple, I believe. So they still have a good assortment of colors, though, available for the existing toolboxes. It's normally priced at 34 bucks, but you'll be able to pick it up for 24. That's saving $10. Good deal on that. And if you enjoy content like this, I would really appreciate you get it a thumbs up. It does help the channel. And be sure to subscribe for more deal videos like this. I do. Now let's move on to the next deal. And they're running an awesome deal on the Pittsburgh 5-piece 3/8 drive spark plug socket set. It does come on a socket rail. And these are the sizes that it does include: 18 millimeter, 14, 5/8, 3/4, and 13/16. And they are high vis markings on the sockets themselves. So it's a pretty nice kit there for both SAE and metric spark plugs. And it does come with that lifetime warranty. It is normally priced at 10 bucks, but you're able to save 50% on that. So it's only $5. Awesome deal. And they have deals on the Pittsburgh 3/8 drive 10-piece deep wall color coded socket set. So they have both SAE and metric. And they also have the high vis markings on them. Very nice. So the millimeter sizes does range from size 10 to 19 millimeter. And the SAE does range from 5/16 up to 7/8 inch. Each are going to be priced at only $10. That's saving 4. And how about saving $10 on the Quinn 8-piece 3/4 drive impact socket set? It does range from size 1 inch to 1.5 inches in 3/4 drive, and they are 6-point sockets. This is the SAE one, so it's only $40. It was 50. And they have the same deal for the millimeter size, also 6-point sockets, 8 pieces of them. They do range from size 26 millimeter up to 38 millimeter, and that's also priced at $40, and when it was 50. That's good savings there of 20%. And they have more socket options for you. They have the Pittsburgh half-inch drive 13-piece deep impact socket set. This one is the metric one that they do have in range size of 10 millimeter up to 32 millimeter, and that's priced at only $20. That's saving $12 there off the normal price of 32. And they also have the SAE version of it as well, which it appears they have two different versions of the SAE. Well, one is like more of a matte black, and then one's a shiny. So they have both options priced the same of $20 when they were 32. And those sizes does range from 7/16 up to 1.25 inches. Pretty good deal there for those. And they have more Pittsburgh socket deals on the impact socket sets. They have the 13-piece in the SAE. It does range from size 3/8 inch up to 1.25 inches. So these are the regular size sockets. And these are priced at $14.99, saving $5. Same thing goes for the metric ones that range from size 10 millimeter up to 27 millimeter. That's also $15, saving 5. Pretty good deals. And they do have a deal on the Quinn 21-piece chrome socket set. It's 12-point sockets in the 3/8 drive. Does come with a nice little rail to store all the sockets on, including the ratchet. That's a 72 tooth one and a 5-degree arc swing. It's only priced at $29, but you will be able to save $4 on that, and it is $25. So that's about 14% off. They do have a good deal on this Icon 1/4-inch modular general service set. So it does come with both SAE and metric 48-piece set, and it does say no skip sizes. So these are the sizes that it does come with. And it also has an extension bar as well as a universal joint. So it looks like a pretty nice kit right there from Icon. It is normally priced at $120, but you will be able to save $30 on that. So it's only going to be $90, which, as they mentioned in the ad, that pays for the membership itself. Which brings me to my next point. If you're not yet an ITC member, it is $30 a year to join for the 12 months, or you can go into the store and pay for a 2-year deal for only $45. That comes to $1.88 a month, which is an awesome deal for the membership. I definitely recommend going that route, especially if you do regular shopping at Harbor Freight and all benefits that comes with that membership. So I know many of you guys have been waiting for a deal on the Icon ratchets. So they do have many deals on the G1, not the G2 series ratchets, but currently in the store, they don't have them priced as far as the G1 pricing goes. But I do have the flyer here that I'll go over the different ones. And they actually have many good deals, saving between 17% all the way up to 30% on some of them. And I'll show you the flyer here next. All right, so you can save 29% on the half-inch drive professional long reach flex head ratchet. So it's going to be $48. It was $68. Then they have the half-inch drive professional flex head ratchet with comfort grip for $38. It was $53, so that's saving 28%. Then they have the 3/8 drive low profile ratchet for $30, saving 30%. Same thing goes for the 3/8 drive professional low profile ratchet with the comfort grip, also saving 30%. It was $43, so it's only gonna be $30 there. Then they have the flex head ratchet and the half-inch drive for $38, saving 28%. And then the 3/8 drive professional long reach flex head ratchet for $42. That's saving 28%. And they have many others here to choose from. So you can certainly pause the video and take a look, or visit the link in the description where I'll have a direct link to the ITC deals. They even have a deal on the 1/4-inch gold one, saving 22%. It was $45, it's $35, so saving $10. And they have a whole other page of ratchet deals. They have the 3/8 gold one for saving 18%, so $10 off, so it's only $45. Then they have the 1/4-inch drive low profile ratchet for $24. It was 33. And also you could save 20% on the swivel ratchet with comfort grip. So it's only 32 bucks and it was 40. So definitely some good deals with the different savings between $8 off on these, $7 off with the other 1/4 inch swivel head. So it's only 28 bucks. It was 35. The 3/8 stubby for 28, it was 33. So definitely decent savings there for some Icon ratchets. Be sure to check them out because I know many of you were waiting for a deal again. That might be the time to get some, saving the different mounts, which is pretty good. Now, if any of you guys seized the deal last month of the 12 days of sales that they did on the 72-inch roller cabinet, the triple bank one by US General, they have a deal on the triple bank top chest where you can actually save 100 bucks on that. So this price only 900 bucks when it was 1,000. It does have an integrated power port to it and 12 drawers, and these are the dimensions and then the storage capacity. It does come available in the 9 different colors, including the new purple that they came out with. And they do have a deal on the Viking 20-foot 4-gauge jumper cables. They are heavy duty, and it does come with a nice durable hard plastic case to carry them in. They are copper coated jaws, and their price is only 20 bucks. That's saving $8 off the $28 price it normally has. It's pretty decent savings there. And they have a decent deal on the Icon professional radiator hose pick set. It's 6 pieces. These are pretty huge picks themselves. And they also come out with a lifetime warranty. It is normally priced at 58 bucks, but you'll be able to save $13 on that. So it's only $45. And they do have a couple deals on some air sanders. So they have this dual action one by Baxter. It's a 6-inch orbital sander. Let's have a nice long handle there with the paddle switch. That's priced at only 80 bucks. That's saving 20. So it's a pretty good deal on that. Also another Baxter Palm Orbit Sander. It's a 6-inch one. It does have a nice little palm grip to it. And that's priced at only 80 bucks as well, saving 20. So 20% off is a decent deal. And they're running another good deal on the Icon 800 lumen rechargeable slim bar light. It does have 3 different lights to it. So this one in the front, and then there's one in the top part, and then one in the back. So different modes, different brightnesses. It's a pretty nice light. I have the blue one myself, and it's been wonderful. So they have the deal price where you're actually saving 10 bucks on that. So it's only $30 and it was 40. And just so to make you aware, they will be coming out with a new version of this later this year at some point. I'm not sure when, but there will be a new version that's going to be, I think, 1,000 lumen one. So we'll probably continue to see deals on these as they work on phasing them out. And they do have a few other deals with different flashlights from Braun. So for example, they do have this 450 lumen one, nice little pen light. It is rechargeable. It has a runtime of up to 9 hours, high and low variable modes to it, and a range of up to 230 feet, and it's water resistant with IPX7 rated. We'll see how bright it is. Pretty decent little light. 450 lumens, not bad. And the deal price is at 15 bucks, saving 8. It was 23. Pretty good savings there. And they do have a 200 lumen, even a smaller one, on a good deal. Priced only 5 bucks. It was 8. That one does use 2 AAA batteries though, so it's not rechargeable. Another option from Braun is the 1800 lumen light. It does have variable modes of turbo, high, and low. Waterproof IPX7 rated. It is rechargeable. It has a runtime of up to 8 hours. The 1800 lumens is pretty bright. That's going to be priced at 23 bucks, saving 7. And they have a deal on the US General 3-shelf steel service cart. It is normally priced at 70 bucks, saving $20 on that, so it's only $50. It does have a weight capacity of 450 pounds. It's a pretty decent deal for only 50 bucks. And they do have some deals on the Bunker Hill security, motion security lights, so that it comes available in black and white. It also includes a solar panel, so it's portable, so you can have it out on the shed like they show in the picture with no power to it. It's on sale for only 20 bucks. That is saving 5 off of the 25 price it normally has. And it is rated at 500 lumens as far as the brightness goes. And they do have a deal on the Union Safe Company. It's a 1.51 cubic foot electronic lock gun floor safe. I see it does have removable casters on the bottom there. It is pry resistant, concealed hinges to it. An electronic keypad. Here's what the interior looks like. It has one shelf that you can adjust the height to it. Then it has floor or wall mountable hardware included, so it has pre-drilled holes on the back wall there. It is normally priced at 150 bucks, but it's on sale for 120, saving 30 bucks with ITC. That's pretty decent savings there. And most importantly, it meets California Department of Justice requirements. How comforting is that? What a joke that is. They're running a crazy deal on the Bauer 5-inch PSA stick-on sanding disc. So they are a solid disc, and it has like an adhesive hook and loop kind. So it does fit orbital and dual action sanders. And they have them all different grits from 80, 120, 180, 220, 320, 400, and even up to 600. They're running an awesome deal right now where it's only priced at $5, but you'll be able to save $3 on that. So it's only $2 a pack. Now on the sign, it does not mention that there's a limit, and that is saving 60% off of it. It's a pretty good deal on this sanding paper. And they have pretty good savings on the US General Magnetic Glove Tissue Dispenser. So if you missed out on the other deals they had previously on the US General Magnetic accessories, this would be a good time to pick up this tissue or glove box holder. It's because it's only going to be 10 bucks. It's saving $5 off the normal $15 price it has. So pretty good deal. And it does come available in the different colors of the different boxes, except for purple. So they do have them in the black, gray, green, and blue here. And they have a deal on the Pittsburgh half-inch torque limiting extension bar set. It's a 10-piece total. It does come with a nice hard plastic case to that. It is normally priced at 55 bucks, but you can save $10 on that with the ITC deal, so it's only 45 bucks. All right, that's going to be the top ITC deals I'm going to cover for this month. I will be sure to leave a link in the description below so you can have easy access to the deals online and go over what all they have available. They have well too many to cover in this video. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it that you give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. And also consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos that I do in the future. I really appreciate that support. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.